Okay, so now you know that this is time to do the weather. The weather is right now time. Even though it's time for the weather, doesn't mean we can just do anything else. So let's click back to from yesterday. So right now it's Wisconsin Rapids, Wisconsin. Shut up, Bree. So and we have right now, just right now, it is cloudy. It's 20 degrees, and the air quality is not that bad actually. With the wind being 11 miles per hour and 74% of humidity and visibility at 9.9 miles or milliliters, I think. I don't know. Pressure would be 30.1 inches, and the dew point would be 13. Dew point would be 13 degrees. Now, let's look back from yesterday. Yesterday we had a lot to do with, like, this today. Yesterday was kind of cold, not that warm. And then we see, like, today at 23, it would go down to like 13. But we don't know where at 13. I don't see 13. But tomorrow will be at least different. It will be Sunday, and it gets to the low at 9. And then it drops down to 13 for 2 full hours, but then, no, 3, excuse me. And then it goes back up and then goes down and goes staying at the same temperature for a bit until it's 13 again. Obviously, it would be 21 for the high, but then it's 15, which is actually correct. And you see, Monday till Friday, no, wait, till the 1st of March, it'd be sunny. It'd be sunny. Trust me. So now, we have it steady for the weather details. It is 20 degrees for steady, and then the cold would be feeling like 4 degrees, but technically the temperature is 20. Now the cloud consistency is steady with most clouds skies at a 44. Right now it's a 54. There is not going to be any rain in the next 24 hours. What on earth are they saying? Well, here. We don't have it to the next 30 hours. Well, 24 hours. And the wind is coming from the northwest, going to the southeast. By the time it's the UV, it is very low, actually. It's really good. It's air quality is good. It's not that bad, but imagine the high. There is a low on 8 meat allergy trees. The phase of the moon would be 20%. Now, the sunrise would be 6:50 in the morning today till 5:36 in the evening. Now, let's look at the radar. Now, nothing's going to happen, but there's no negatives except there is 2. We had one last 2 weekends ago, but then next weekend would be very negative. Now let's go to March. Now, I know people might be saying, like, Amelia, what is going on now with the weather in March? March has -1, and then the rest of the week on there, it's just mostly that. But then Friday is going to be cloudy, and it has 97% of precipitation. By Saturday, it's going to be 60% of rain. We do have a chance of rain on that day, but we don't. Same for the Monday. Then when we get into Tuesday, we got 60% of snow and rain. Bree Lynch. And the rest of the week would be sunny with a little bit of clouds. Until next week of Wednesday, which is the 18th, 2 days before my little sister turns 9. It is snowing and raining 60%. Well, actually, no, 60% and then 30%. And then goes back to Sunday, and it's technically 60%. 36 and 39 on Friday and Saturday. And we go back from the 30th to the 31st. Now, we might get like 9 only of them. We only got 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 22 sunny and cloudy days. So the most that we got from in July was very crazy. This is today, and today we have none. The hottest month of the last 12 months was July. So yeah, that's all I have on this weather app today. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye. I'm just kidding, we're not going yet. Okay, so we see that the United States, and there are some lightning near Alabama and Georgia, and not nearly. And then there's rain over by Michigan and Missouri a bit, and a little bit in Illinois. You'll see that in Portland has a bit of rain coming through. Same for Charlotte and South Carolina and North Carolina. Now, let's check let's see how it is for 9 o'clock. That means it's right now. Now, we see there's still rain coming through. Let's see about 9:30. So 9:30 shows that there's no more lightning by Alabama or Georgia. It shows that it's just raining. So, see how it goes through. Now it's coming through a bit, but then around Washington, there is a lot of rain coming through. And it's going to go through a little bit into Canada, but I'm guessing it's going to do like this swoop thing, whatever it is, that I saw before. Swoop. Like it's nothing. So it might go past Wisconsin in one of those days. Yeah, there's no data at all. So let's go back. Let's go back to 12 p.m. Looks like Alabama and Georgia are clear, almost clear for Georgia. Now, Washington has a lot of rain at that time. Michigan doesn't have a lot in contact of it. There is a storm over there near Atlantic. Now, I want to check the radar. So here is the radar. The rain is the ones in red till green. And then the snow is these colors, which I don't know if you